Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is my fall home tour. I will be showing you guys all of the areas in my main living space that I decorated. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I do want to emphasize that it is a very simple fall home tour. I do not go all out with decor. If you have been around for a while, you guys will know that I'm trying to minimalize my space, so I don't have as much stuff as I have previously, but I enjoy the small touches throughout here and there, and I hope you guys do too. If you do want to see a full home tour with every single room in my house, please leave that link down below, because I would love to try to do that for you guys if you want to see it. If you're new, my name is Kristen, and this is Cora's Cozy Castle after my 5-pound dachshund, and I would love to have you join me here. I do decluttering, organizing, cleaning, and I love Pottery Barn. You'll see that throughout the house, throughout this tour, and if you like any of those things, definitely like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I would love for you to join me. I have a lot of fun upcoming videos for the holiday season, more recipes, so I would love to have you here with me. Definitely leave me a comment down below. I love getting to know you guys, and I hope that you have a fabulous day. I'm not going to talk throughout this tour. If you guys want to know where I purchased anything, just leave that in the comments, and I will try to link it as best as possible. But I hope you guys have a very blessed day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Much love always. Bye.